How many people have ever been asked the question, why nuclear? How many people are worried about the closing of nuclear plants in the country?
I grew up in Illinois, about 20 minutes away from Zion Nuclear Generating Station. And when I was about 14, it shut down. The emissions went up after that. There was a huge economic burden that was put on the community, and citizens from Zion came down to our state capitol to talk about why we can't let this happen again.
One story that doesn't really get told very often is the fact that over the past 25 years, we've had 2.5 billion people gain access to clean water and sanitation for the first time in their lives, or even their families' lives.
Just in this session, on average, about 913 people will die for complications related to how we produce energy from fossil fuels and indoor air pollution. Since 1970, on average, nuclear has saved about 1,200 people per day. Nuclear, of course, is one of the safest ways to make reliable electricity.
I can't count the number of times when I was growing up in my house where we didn't have electricity. And I just want to make sure that kids in the future who are in developing countries and in lower income communities, that they don't have to worry about, having clean clothes, having hot water in the winter. Nobody should have to go through that.
Right now, we're at a point where we have this rapidly developing, rapidly urbanizing population around the world that needs energy right now. We have climate change issues, we have air pollution issues that we can deal with.
When I think about nuclear, I think about how it gives families and countries like mine hope.
This is about being powered by peaceful uses of atoms.
I was actually against it to start, and I learned how good nuclear was, and I got educated, and now I'm a huge proponent of nuclear energy.
In many of these moments, we will be one-on-one with another person, and it might feel like it's you against the world, and that there's a lot at stake and a lot on your shoulders. Look around this room as evidence of the people that you have on your team. And know that there are people at the other national labs, that there are people at the 99 nuclear power plants in this country and the 447 nuclear power plants in the world that agree with you and see the value of this technology. When we come together, we can have an impact. We can flip the script. We can change the story. And we can change history together.